flash flood warning for Clay County in Middle Tennessee, Central Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Overton County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Pickett County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lafayette, Carthage, Celina, Gainsboro, Hartsville, Red Boiling Springs, South Carthage, Whitleyville, Pleasant Shade, Moss, Dixon Springs, Standing Stone State Park, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area and Dale Hollow Lake. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.